Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is related to Cognizant new off-campus hiring for the not for the particular freshers batch, but there is some important information. This is related to off-campus hiring because this is a new hiring for the batches, and if you are from 2022, 2021, 2020, 2019, you are still eligible to apply for the new hiring that is called the infra off campus hiring through the Cognizant. And I uploaded the video on our channel past in the previous 2 to 3 days that is related to Bentley hiring. So it is for the 2023 batch or not. No 60% criteria. Salary is 4 to 10 LPA. You are eligible for Gen Z and infra both or not. Cognizant new hiring. Let's start the video. Before starting on our channel online learning, we are providing latest opportunities updates, so please like and share the video with your friends. This hiring is Cognizant infra off campus graduate trainee, engineer trainee. Minimum 3 month to max 12-month experience is required for the opportunity. Application deadline is 19 October. This is the PDF related to off campus hiring, and this is the new hiring from the Cognizant team. Okay, so why it is very different from the Gen Z hiring? Because it is a customer technical support related job function, and infra means there is a support function related. So if I talk about the graduate trainee, so if you are from BCA, BSc, BCom, BBA, any 3-year graduate, so you have a salary of 2.52 LPA. And if you are from BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MC, MSc, any domain, any branch, okay, so your salary is 4 LPA. So this is related to like you are responsible for providing IT infrastructure support covering cloud on premises product like Windows, cloud computing. Okay, hold high degree of conversation skills since written and verbal communication are skills are they are essential. So the eligibility is, this is the experience required, minimum 3 month to max 12 month. If you have experience in the particular like domain like voice, technical IT support, service desk, like desktop support, IT help desk, so you are eligible for this opportunity. Year of passing graduate should be 2019 or above. Okay, they just mentioned that. In the case of engineer trainee, they also mentioned that year of passing graduation should be 2019 or above. So what do you mean by the basically above? So you can still eligible apply for the opportunity. 2019 to 2020 batch is 22 batch is eligible. But one of the most important point, this is the like experience opportunity. Minimum 3 month to max 12-month experience is required for both the role. Okay, and if you apply for the Gen Z hiring, don't apply for the infra off campus, because you have to apply for only for one opportunity. If you have a experience in this domain, so you have to withdraw the Gen Z application and apply for this opportunity. Otherwise, if you have a experience and if you are not eligible in the Gen Z hiring, apply for this opportunity, because there is a no 60% criteria. And must important point, minimum 3 month to max 12-month experience is required. This is the complete PDF, and this is the off campus hiring process, round 1, round 2, round 3, and what are the offer, and after that you can join Cognizant. And if I talk about the Bentley hiring, so so many candidates DM me like, sir, this is for the 2023 batch or not. They just mentioned that the graduate trainee quality analyst and required knowledge, skill, abilities, BE computer science, information technology or equivalent degree with knowledge in software automation preferred. As 2023 batch is in the final year, so you can still try to apply for this opportunity, because when you are applying for this opportunity, they are given the 2023 batch as a expected year of graduation. Okay, and they also mention in the form, so you can still apply for the opportunity. There is no 60% criteria. Salary is up to 10 LPA plus. This hiring is very best for 2023 batch also, and I already uploaded the video that is related. So I also updated that like 2023 batch is eligible, but this hiring is best. If you follow all the criteria, you can apply for the opportunity. Thanks for watching the video.